let's set up our palette and grab our brushes. So I actually have a variety of brushes that I've collected over the years, and so what I would like for you to do for this tutorial is just have a small, medium, large, ideally plus a mop brush. Mop brush is a necessity for every painting that you're going to do with me. It helps blend from light, medium to dark. So love my mop brushes. In the supply guide, I do have links to the brushes that I use, so you're welcome to view that and purchase through just by clicking on the links. So those are the brushes that I'm going to use. Let's talk about our palette. I've got my palette set up like the standard way. You know, I've got my ivory black, ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, sap green, alizarin crimson, burnt umber, burnt sienna, cadmium orange, yellow ochre, cadmium yellow medium. In addition to my standard palette, I've grabbed 4 other fabulous colors. These are colors that I don't typically have in my palette, but because of this particular painting, I know that these are quick and easy to grab. These colors are really hard to make if you were to try and actually make them. So this was the easy way. So what we have is cobalt teal. Love, love, love cobalt teal. It's fabulous. Prussian blue, a very rich and intense color. Perylene red, beautiful, just beautiful red, you'll see. Naphthol red, and this is Naphthol red. It's a very warm, vibrant red. So these are the 4 new colors that I would like for you to add to your palette. If you don't have these colors, you're not going to be able to get the same colors that I have in this Rooster painting. So again, that's cobalt teal, Prussian blue, Perylene red, Naphthol red. And then of course over in a pile kind of all by itself, so I don't contaminate it very easily, is titanium white. In addition, I have my Damsol, and that's it. You'll notice that in this particular painting, I am not using any mediums, and that is because these 4 colors are very rich and creamy and just really well processed with linseed oil. So all of the colors already have a medium in them called linseed oil, but because these 4 are so well mixed with the linseed oil, they just go on so smooth. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get our palette set up in this pattern. We want it in this pattern so that you can reach and grab just like you were hitting piano keys or playing the guitar. So this is your palette, these are your notes. Let's pause and set up.